Day one. Hello, I'm Rosemary. My name is Rosemary. Welcome to my channel, Little Light Stories, where we learn beautiful Igbo language together. And our classroom is Igbo Classroom. Welcome to Igbo Classroom, where you will learn Igbo with ease. The goal of this classroom and this learning is to promote, preserve the Igbo language and culture among Igbo children in diaspora by teaching them to speak, read, and love Igbo in fun, simple, and engaging way. Today, we are going to start with something very important. Learning the alphabet is the first step to reading, writing, and speaking Igbo correctly. Are you ready? Ngwa ka anyị bido. Okay, this is the Igbo alphabet. The Igbo alphabet has 36 letters. Some are similar to English letters, while others are unique to Igbo. We will say each letter and pronounce it slowly so you can repeat after me. And within the Igbo alphabets, we have the consonants and we have the vowels. We will learn, and we have the double consonants. We will learn all this in sequence. Okay. The Igbo alphabet is also known as Abidi Igbo or Mkpụrụ Edemede Igbo. Abidi Igbo or Mkpụrụ Edemede Igbo. Say after me. Mkpụrụ Edemede Igbo. Good. So, now we are going to read the alphabet. Anyị ga-agụ mkpụrụ edemede Igbo. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, B, E, G, H, A, I, J, K, P, Q, L, M, N, N, W, N, O, O, P, R, S, Sh, T, U, O, V, W, Y, Z. Great job. Now, let's move to the consonants. We'll say each letter one at a time. The consonants are also known as Mgbochiume. Say it. Consonants. Mgbochiume. Mgbochiume. The consonants are 28 in number. So we have B, Ch, D, E, F, G, B, E, G, H, J, K, P, Q, L, M, N, Ng, Nwe, Nye, Pe, Re, Se, She, Te, V, We, Ye, Z. These are the consonants. Now we'll look at the vowels. The vowels are also known as Udume. The vowels are known as Udume. So, the vowels are 8 in number. A, e, I, E, O, U, O. Again, so vowels. Sorry, S is missing. There is supposed to be vowels with the S. Udume. A, E, I, E, O, U, O. And we have the double consonants, the ones we call mbochu mempe. So they are part of the consonants, but they are double. That is what makes them unique. So Igbo has some letters that do not exist in English. So that is what we call the double consonants. Mbochu mempe. They are che, be, e, gwe, pe, kwe, we, nye, she. Okay, so there are how many in number? There are 9 in number. So continue to pronounce these letters. Continue to play the video and practice pronouncing them. If you master how to pronounce this alphabets, then learning the Igbo language will be easy peasy. Excellent. You are already on your way to reading Igbo and speaking Igbo. Thank you for learning Igbo alphabet with me today. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel so you can continue to learn Igbo with me. Next time, we will learn how to combine these letters into simple words and sentences. So make sure to be tuned. Cordeno. Bye.